Hi students, in this second session we are going to discuss about the marketing management concepts. Marketing management concepts. In previous session we are discussed marketing management meaning, definitions, objectives and need. So in this session we are going to discuss about marketing management concepts. Okay, let's start. The first one, marketing concept. Students, marketing concept is the most important theories in marketing management. So marketing concept means the philosophy which guides the marketing efforts, that is what weight should be given to the interest of the organization, consumers and the society. So these three concepts are most important. The three interest of most important, like organization, consumers and the society. Very often these interests are conflicting. There are five marketing concepts which are adopted by the organizations for the marketing activities. So the five marketing concepts are adopted by the organizations for the marketing activities. So the first one is production concept, product concept, production different, product different. Okay, so clearly note down. So first one is production concept, product concept, selling concept, marketing concept and socio marketing concept or social marketing concept. So these five concepts are the adapting by the organizations. The first one is the production concept. First one is the production concept. Production concept, this is concept holds that the consumer will support those products that are produced in large quantities at low unit cost. So production concept is the most important. So produced more quantity or large quantity, so more quantity at low price. So how to maintain low unit cost? The raw material purchase from the manufacturer, not only wholesaler and retailer. So the production department buy the raw material from the manufacturer or where the sell with low cost and maintain best quality and quantity also. Okay, it is the most important concept. Next, the authorities of this view believe that marketing can be managed by the managing production. That is most important concept. So authorities of the view believes the marketing can be managed by managing production. It involves high production efficiency or capacity, high production capacity and wide distribution network are maintain large followers. Okay, next, this concept holds good in cases where there is more demand. When maintain more demand, the product easily sell to the consumer. That is the most important theory. Okay, so where there is more demand than the supply. In such a situation, consumers readily accept the production that is made available. Example, cooking gas. It is the most important and demanded also. So the consumers they accept the product. Hence, large scale production easily availability assumes much significance or importance. There is another situation where the products high cost, production cost is high. So my dear students, that is the most important theory. So consumer satisfaction is the most important in any concept. So in production concept, so the manufacturer product the manufacturer produce the product large quantity at low unit cost is the main concept. And one more thing, hence large scale production assumes much significance. There is another situation where the product cost is high. To expand the market, it is desired to reduce the cost, unit cost. That is the main concept. So, to expand the market, it is desired to reduce the unit cost by large scale production. So, only applicable for large scale production. For example, price of the electronic calculators and watches have come down considerably. So electronic calculators and watches both are treated as a price, but easy availability and low cost are not only the condition governing customers buying decisions. So both are electronic calculators and watches also, it's a low price and high best availability, but there is no consumer demand. So maintain also more demand and highest large quantity, produce large quantity with low unit cost. That is the production concept. Okay, second one is product concept. Second one is product concept. So product concept, the product concept holds that consumers will favor those products that offer the most quality. In product concept, most important is quality, performance and features. First one, quality, performance, features. The three things are most important for production concept. So at the time of produce the product or manufacture the product, so the company or the industry maintain best quality and best performance of the product and best features of the product. Best features maintained, at the same time lowest disadvantages also maintained, lowest disadvantages of the product also. If you have more features of the product and also most disadvantages of the product, they will not sell to the customers. Customer cannot be buy that type of products. So my dear students, so compulsory maintain best performance, best quality and best features, at the same time lowest disadvantages. Next, managers in this product oriented organizations focus their energy on making good products and improve them over time. Oriented organizations is the focus. Okay. And Philip Kotler, one of the one of the given the best definition for marketing management. So according to Philip Kotler ji, emphasis on product excellence, that is quality, performance and features. The assumption is that customers will automatically buy product of high quality and evaluated product excellence and is willing to pay for extra also. Okay, therefore producers claim that they make the best and their products have several extras. So producers claim also most important. So producer claims that they make the best and their products has several extras. Example, the three-dimensional TV, Godrej, Puff, refrigerators, etc. They are much immersed so in their product, and they entered into a love affair with the products, forgetting other factors that contribute to consumer satisfaction. Okay, consumer satisfaction, the most important for manufacturing the product. Okay, next, the problem is that they fail to study the market and the consumers in depth, that is the consumers in depth, that is consumers need what the consumer would gladly accept it. Okay, that is the main concept of production concept. Okay, third one, selling concept. The selling concept, this concept assumes that consumers in the absence of any selling efforts will not purchase the product. So absence of any selling effect will not be will not purchase the products. Hence they must be induced or placed induced or pleased to the purchase the product by means of selling and promotion effects only. So maximum selling the product through selling and promotion efforts. Okay, this concept often practiced in selling unsold goods. Okay, that is those goods that buyers normally do not think of buying. For example, unless some promotional efforts are made, people will not purchase dictionaries, encyclopedias, insurance policies, invest in saving schemes, etc. So not purchased. People in the non-profit areas also practice selling concept. Non-profit areas also practice selling concept. Example, by charitable institutions, educational institutions, political parties. There is the non-profit organizations. Okay, and at the time of election, a political party sells its candidate as the most fantastic sorry fantastic person for the most fantastic person of the job. He offers namaste with folded hands, shaking hands, fondling children, inquiry about the welfare of old peoples, etc. That is the most important or most fantastic persons. Okay, many forms given prime importance to selling. So many firms or many industries, they try to sell what they have manufactured, rather it should be the other way. Make what they can sell. Okay, what they can sell, they forget the fact that is selling is to be effective. So selling effective, it should be preceded by an assessment of the need, marketing, research, product price and distributions. This is the assessment, like marketing need of the product, marketing research, product price and distributions. Preoccupation with selling concept gives an impression that marketing is aggressive selling and advertisement. There is the preoccupation with the selling concept. Next one, the fact that marketing is not selling. Marketing and selling both are the different. The words are similarly same, but the definitions are both are different. It is only one aspect of marketing is not taken into consideration. So this is the selling concept. My dear students, selling concept is the most important theory in the marketing management. Then fourth one, marketing concept. concept. Marketing concept is a philosophy of business that starts that the customers want satisfaction. Customer want satisfaction in the economic and social justification for a firm existence. Okay, so customer satisfaction is the most important in the marketing concept. Next, as a result, all activities of a company or firm should be directed towards finding out the needs of the customers and then satisfying those needs. So customer satisfaction are most important need. At the same time, make profits by fulfilling customer satisfaction. So, if you want more profits, my dear students, listen carefully. If you want more profits in the business to maintain the customer satisfaction or buyer satisfaction is the most important concept. Okay, the distinguishing features of the marketing concept are market focus, customer orientation, coordination, marketing, and profitability. So marketing concepts are the features of marketing concepts are marketing focus, customer orientation means training or developmenting activities, coordinate marketing, and profitability. These are the features of marketing concept. No company can satisfy the needs of the customer in a particular market. A company cannot manufacture different types of dress materials for the ready-made garments in the market. So it focuses on a particular segment, say ready-made shirts for gents and so on. In the above example, the company may manufacture shirts from finest textiles for the upper class market to suit their requirement. Fuel efficient motorbikes are another example. Coordinate marketing indicates various marketing functions such as sales force, advertising, distribution, marketing, etc. These are the coordinating marketing indications. Okay, next, must be fully coordinate. It also stresses need that marketing must be coordinated with the other departments such as finance and manufacturing, etc. In the company, profitability in a business firm means profit, and in a non-profit organization it indicates its survival and attracting sufficient funds for its working. So this will this go a list obey achieved by the organization by satisfying the needs of their customers. So this is the most important. So my dear students, selling and marketing is the different concept. So now we are going to discuss the difference between selling and marketing. So selling starts with the seller or vendor, but marketing starts with the buyer or purchaser. Next, selling focus on the needs of the seller, but marketing on the needs of the buyer. Selling refers to the goods and services, selling only goods or services. Marketing refers to the customer satisfaction depending upon the customer satisfaction. So packing is enough for product protection. Packing is enough for product production. Packing is convenient to customers. Next, cost determine price. Selling is the cost determines price. Marketing, consumer determines price. Selling, customer is the last. At the time of marketing, customer is the first position. In the selling, customer is the last position. So students, these are the difference between selling and marketing. Please, I repeat the point. This is the important question in 5 marks category. Selling is the starts with the seller, marketing is the starts with the buyer. Okay, first concept. Second difference, focus on the needs of the seller, focus on the needs of the buyer. Next one, selling refers to goods and service. Selling refers goods and services only. So but marketing refers customer satisfaction is the most important concept. Okay, and selling enough with packing is enough. Okay, production, packing is the convenient to the customers. So packing convenient or depending upon the customer need. So marketing is the most important for customer need. Next, selling, cost determines price, consumer determine price. So consumer is the last position in selling department, and consumer is the first position in the marketing department. So these are the difference between selling and marketing. Next, the socio marketing concept. Social marketing concept. So listen carefully, my dear friends, students. No doubts that the consumers need are to be satisfied. Customers needs are to be satisfied. But a school of thought that is gaining momentum is that while satisfying the needs of the customer, while satisfying the needs of the customer, in long run or long time process, the society welfare also should be looked into. Why? Because the large scale industries, the long run maintain industry compulsory maintain society welfare activities also. So why? Because society welfare activities participated. So because of organization or firm maintain goodwill. If you want goodwill, maintain social welfare activities. So social welfare also should be looked into. The new thing has slowly encroached, okay, upon the marketing concept. The new concept is known as the human concept, the intelligent consumption concept, the co-logical imperative concept, all stressing different aspects. Philip Kotler calls it as the social marketing concept. According to him, the social marketing concept holds that the organization task is to determine the needs, wants and interest of target markets, and to deliver the desired satisfaction more effectively and efficiently than compare with competitors, in a way that preserves or enhances the consumers and the society well-being. The distinguished features is that the company should balance three factors. The company should be balanced three factors. First one is profit, second one is human wants satisfaction, and third one is public interest or society interest. Profit is the first concept, first factor. Second factor is the consumer wants satisfaction. Third one is the public interest or society interest. Under this approach, a company has to take into consideration several factors affecting the product and the society. So consideration several factors affecting product and the society. Example, product safety, non-polluted motor vehicles using containers which decomposes naturally. Okay, decompose naturally, etc. The social marketing approach imposes several responsibilities on marketers. So this is the socio marketing concept. So my dear students, in this concept, the five important marketing concept. First one is production concept, second one is product concept, third one selling, marketing, socio marketing concepts. These are the concepts of marketing. Okay, thank you so much, my dear students. Bye bye.